Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be working on this field kitchen. So just take your sprue cutters, cut away those little sprues on the wheels, and then these lids, you can cut the sprues off of them as well. Sprues there, that way when it comes in the bag, the kit, these little pieces, they're connected by something, that way they don't get lost, the little pieces. So you have to cut the sprues before you can use them. There's the lids. Now let's continue cutting away this stuff. So cut that, and there you go. Then you can cut this and cut this. Cut that. Alright, so let's keep on cleaning up the sprue marks there. Little piece by little piece. Just making sure all this is done to good level. Alright, so this is good. You can go ahead and cut this if you wish. There you go. Next, clean up the sprue mark on this guy here. Yeah, so we're just still working on these. Alright, now it's a matter of cleaning up the sprues. Careful not to break things. Alright. Next, let's clean up the sprue mark on this. There you go, done. Next, this one. And then there's that. Alright, we're done with those. Now it's this supports under the wheel well here. Need to cut these. Alright. Just keep on clipping away these supports from under there. Alright, let's do the other side now. Okay. And yeah, it's kind of quite a task to cut these, but you want to make sure to be careful, and then if you wish, you can even sand it down if you have the tools for that. So officially we're done with the clippers. Now let's get to gluing this together. Alright, so take some glue. I'm just randomly starting here. Let's put this chimney type piece here. There you go. That's good. Let's let that dry. Next, let's put some glue on here. And then take your tweezers. There you go. Then put this lid there. And let's do the other one. One more. I guess optionally you could have the lids on or off or open, And let's try here. There you go. So those are attached. Now let's glue on this axle piece. So essentially put a little glue there, maybe a little glue there, some glue in the middle there. And let's put this axle piece on. There's the axle piece. Alrighty, so next, put a little glue here along that edge. And then let's use the tweezers for this, try to get this in a good position. So in like manner, let's put some glue along the edge there. Okay, there you go. While that's drying, let's take this, and you can glue it there. So I'm going to take a generous amount of glue and do that. That way, just to make sure it glues down, There you go. There's the hitch. Trailer hitch. Okay, while that's gluing there, let's go ahead and put some glue on these axles and put the wheel there. Just make sure that the axle goes in the center, and you should be good to go in regard to that. Axle center. There you go. Now we're not done with this one quite yet. We're going to test fit this first. There you go. So go ahead and put some glue there and some glue there. Now we're gonna use this piece here. Put it down like that. This one's an extra piece you can put in your bit bin or whatever. Alright, so now the trailer has the stand to keep it standing without having to be hitched to a vehicle. Last but not least is this portion of the gluing. So, take some glue here. We'll go there. Sometimes it can be a challenge to get it in the correct spot, but just try to make sure it's getting in the correct spot. Alright, so there's the Field Kitchen from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.